In the past 2 decades, psychologists have shifted their focus from merely treating depression to exploring a revolutionary question. Instead of just curing the illness, how do we cultivate happiness? This groundbreaking approach has led to the development of techniques that not only alleviate suffering but also make life more interesting and meaningful. Surprisingly, the first step to happiness might be as simple as your smile. Did you know? Happiness is hardwired in us. Experts suggest that each of us has a natural happiness level, akin to a built-in thermostat that regulates our emotional state. While this baseline is partly inherited, it's not set in stone. Just as we can improve our physical health through exercise, we can also elevate our happiness by adopting simple, daily habits. The happiness recipe. Try it every day. Number 1. Practice gratitude. Every morning, reflect on 3 things you're grateful for. It could be the fresh air, a kind gesture, or even the warmth of sunlight. Gratitude rewires your brain to focus on the positive. Number 2. Share love. Hug a loved one, send a heartfelt message, or simply express appreciation. These acts trigger the release of happiness chemicals, like oxytocin and serotonin in your brain. Number 3. Savor small joys. Notice the aroma of your morning coffee, the sound of birds chirping, or the beauty of a sunset. These tiny moments are the magic hidden in everyday life. Happiness has no labels. Your social status, appearance, or bank balance doesn't define your happiness. Have you ever wondered why some people radiate joy even in challenging circumstances? The answer is simple. They've trained their hearts to be happy. Like a gardener nurturing plants, they've cultivated their emotional well-being through positive thinking and mindful practices. Why not start today? Happiness isn't a distant destination. It's a way of traveling through life. Begin your journey right now. Number 1. Smile at yourself in the mirror. This simple act can instantly lift your mood and activate positive neural pathways. Number 2. Help someone. Even a small act of kindness, like holding the door or offering a compliment, can make you feel like a superhero. Number 3. Let go of yesterday. Focus on the present moment. Live today as if it's your last, and let go of past regrets. Remember, happiness is your inner strength. Happiness never leaves you. It's always within, waiting to be awakened. All you need to do is listen to your heart and take small, intentional steps. So, what are you waiting for? Start writing your own story of happiness today. Be prosperous and share happiness.